Hello everyone and welcome back to the ArcGIS training day 3. Today's session topic is training on to use of ArcGIS software for resource mapping and other image processing tools. Before we start, I would like to remind you all few things that we will share attendance and feedback form during the lecture in YouTube live chat box. From there you can fill the attendance and feedback form. The link will be open for 45 minutes and after that it will close automatically. Any doubt regarding the session can be asked in the live chat box of YouTube. A recorded version of this webinar will always be available on our YouTube channel. And we have uploaded the all the materials and software in our Google Drive and we will share that link with you very soon. Now, I would like to call Mr. Gogoi for today's lecture.
Thank you, Subham. And good evening to all. Today's I welcome you to all the participants for today's lecture. Then yesterday, so shall we start now?
Yes, sir.
Is this visible to everyone?
Yes, sir. Your screen is visible.
Yeah. So yesterday I gave you the lecture on the how to download the satellite images and
Sir, hello, sir.
Sorry.
Sir, there is a notification. Please, can you hide this in bottom?
Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
So yesterday I have mentioned regarding the download of the Landsat images, satellite images. So today I will show you and to how to download the Landsat images from the USGS Art Explorer. So first we'll go to the Google, then we'll search the USGS Art Explorer. Then we'll click on this Art Explorer USGS. So now, as mentioned earlier, that USGS home page opened. Then we'll go to login. First, we have to log in to the website. Then I clicked on the login. Then you just click on the login. Then we'll go to the. So you have to create the account. If you don't have the account, then you just create the account. Otherwise, you just if you have the account, then directly sign in. Now you can see. So I have logged in from my account at Dipjyoti Gogoi. Then we'll go to the search criteria. Then there's an option called feature. Then there I will click. Then there's an option that I know the place. So if we are having the place, then we can put the place name. Otherwise, we can feature or we can put the path and row also. So we'll put the address place, and there is a pop-up came there. We can add that place name. So I will put it as Chennai. Then I will click on show. So now Chennai, that address place has been shown in the below, and along with the latitude and longitude. And then we can click on this address place, then that automatically in this map the Chennai place will be located, and it will show. If we zoom in, then we can see the Chennai place has been located in the map. Now we have to download the Landsat image, Landsat 8 image. So we'll go to the select the date from which period to which period we want the images. Then we'll select here. Then we'll go to 2021. Then January. Suppose I want to download the image from January 2021 to May 18. Till yesterday, whatever all the images I want to download. So now I have selected from January 2021 to January 1st, 2021 to 18th of May 2021. Then we'll go to the data sets. Now we can see search criteria over, then we have to go to the data set. So now we will go to Landsat, because we have to download the Landsat 8 images. Then we will go to the Landsat 1. Already I mentioned that level 2 data are only paid one. So we have to go to the Landsat collection 1. Then we will go to Landsat level 1. Then we will select the Landsat 8. If we want to download the Landsat 7 also, it will be available. So better we'll download the Landsat 8 for the 2021. So we'll select on the Landsat 8. Then we'll go to the directly we'll go to the result. See, now lots of images has been shown in the left side. Now we can see here, you can see that Landsat 8 and this LC08, it means that Landsat 8. Then the path and row are mentioned here. Then you can see that date 2021 0507 means this picture has been taken between the 2021 0507 to 17. So like that we can see the date, acquisition date. Here they have mentioned that acquisition date 2021 0507. Like that this image of 21st of April. Then we can see that 5th of April. Like that there will be lots of images will be available. So now we have, by clicking on this button, we have to check that whether the image is cloud free. Earlier also yesterday's class also I have mentioned that the image should be cloud free. So now you can see that lots of clouds are showing in these images. Now you can see here, you can see the clouds are there, and their shadows are depicted into the ground. So this image is not suitable for our study, because our study needs, for research, our study needs the cloud free images. So we'll turn off this image, then we'll check with this image. Then we can see that some small cloud portions are there, so we will not select this image also. Then directly we'll go to this image. Now you can see that here in this portion there is no cloud. So better, if there is no cloud in our study area, then we can directly download this image. For downloading this image, we will click on this button, and there's a pop-up option. You can see that download option. So directly we can click here. Then we'll go to the GeoTIFF data product. Then automatically the image will be, if we click on this download button, then automatically the image will be downloaded. So now like this, you can download the Landsat 8 image. If you want the Landsat If we Landsat 7 or 4, 5, then you can download. Now I will show you how to download the digital elevation model. Shortly we can call it as DEM. So for the DEM downloading, again I have selected the same place I want to download the DEM for the Chennai. So now you can see that already I have put the address, the Chennai address. So now for the DEM you don't need to put the date, because USGS uploaded only one DEM for the one time period only. So it will be, because DEM will be changes, it will change in a big, it will take a long time to change, because this is the terrain condition of the earth. So it will take a long time to change. Minor changes are there, but the major changes, it will take lots of time. So that's why they are uploading in a single time period only. So we will remove the date. We'll remove the date. Then we'll go to, already the place has been selected. Then we'll go to the datasets. Then we'll uncheck it, and we'll go to the digital elevation. Then we have to download the SRTM. As I told you, that SRTM data we have to download. Then we click on the SRTM data. Then we will click on this SRTM ArcSecond globally. Now we will go to result. Now you can see the DEM for the single time publication that it's 2014 23rd of September. So you can see, you can lie on that image on this map, and you can see that Chennai area is lie on this area. So this one directly we can download it from by clicking here. The same process by clicking here, and we will download the GeoT1 ArcSecond. Like this we can download. Okay, then I will next I will go to how to show the DEM. Yesterday there was a question that some participants, they don't know that DEM, about the DEM. So I will show you how DEM is look like. In the ArcScene you can see if I'm adding a DEM. Actually already I have downloaded that DEM, so I will show you the DEM of the Guwahati. I'm having the Guwahati DEM, so I will show you that DEM added. So I have added the DEM, and here you can see. So now I will show you how it looks like. If you are giving some color, then it will be easily visible. So now you can see it will be in a 3D form. I'm showing you it in a 3D format. Now you can see how DEM look like. It is the simplest form of the Earth surface. It is showing the terrain condition of the Earth surface. Here you can see that this portion, this is the river Brahmaputra. Already you have, I think you have know that river Brahmaputra, and that this is the river Brahmaputra. And here you can see that in between the river there is a small island here in this portion. This is the small island, and so it shows like the high value. You can see here the high value, the highest value is 531 means the highest, it shows the elevation here, and the green means and the light blue, it shows the depth of the that river. It will be in it is in minus 44, and then if you see that 531, that this is the highest elevation which is presented in this area, like this area of 531, the elevation. So like that you can see the dam. So now I'm closing this, then I will go to, I will show you one how to extract your study area. See, we have a definite, whenever we are going for the research or we are doing something or preparing a map, we have a definite area, we have the definite boundary. So according to the boundary we have to work. So that's why you have to we have to extract it from, because the data which is provided by the uh, government or other any organization, because they don't know your study area, so they will provide the data in a tile format, like it will be in square format, or it will be in means because they have extracted according to the pixels. So, and that's why the satellite images which we have downloaded, that will be like I'll show you now the Landsat images. Okay, let me extract it first. Here means whenever we are downloading that satellite images, Landsat images, as I have shown you, that it will be like in GIF format. So we have to extract it. Now you can see when I'm opening it. So now you can see that lots of images are there. It's because Landsat 8, it's a combination of 8 bands. So I will show you the Landsat image. Here you can see I will import the number of band 1. Each band having the different purpose, purpose of study. So here you can see, if I am going to, if you have to see the image, then directly will right click here, then we will go to zoom to layer. That's it. You can see now that that satellite images. See, this area is having the cloud, that's why it shows like this. Now you can see, because of the cloud, this area looks like this, and this area, this image I have downloaded because my study area is this one. So I checked whether this study area is cloud free or not. So I checked it, and when I found it as the cloud free image, so that's why I have downloaded this image. So now we will go to the, I'll take a boundary. Now you can see this is the shapefile. There's nothing else, the shapefile only. So I will hollow, make it hollow. Now you can see this is like if I for my study I'm using this study area, so I have to extract it, because it will take a long time to analyze all the whole images. It will take long time to analyze. So that's why better we will extract it. We'll make a copy of this area, and then we'll analyze our we'll analyze this according to our purpose. So for the and in ArcGIS it is called as, to extract that area it is called as clip. So first what we will do, we'll select this area, that button, then we'll select here, we'll click here, then we'll go to, there is an option in the Arc toolbox, because all the tools which is using in ArcGIS, it will be in Arc toolbox. Then we'll go to the spatial analyst tool, then we'll go to extract, then we'll extract by mask, because we want a copy of it, we want a copy of this Landsat image. So we'll click on this, then input raster means that image. Already I have mentioned that the raster means the image, so we'll give this LC8, select that image, then with reference to whom we want to extract, we have to give the boundary, then only we can extract it. So with the reference of GMD, this GMD file, boundary file, we have to extract. So then we will go to the output raster, we will give the location as well as the name, then we will go to test, then Landsat, then I will make a new folder, then I write it as band 1, then band 1, okay, then save it, then click on OK. Now you can see that one more images has been shown in this table of content. Now you can see, if you turn off this image, now you can see the image. See, this is the button, you can unselect whatever selected in here, you can unselect from here, this button. So if we turn on the GMD, then you can see that the area has been extracted according to our boundary. Like this, not only in Landsat image, in every aspect you can extract your area by using this extract by mask tool. If you can't able to find remind that location, that your tool location, then you can search also. There is a search button here, this one, and you can search here, extract by mask. If you are typing here, then it will come like extract by mask. So now you can see that extract by mask came, the tool shown up. Like that you can search also. Okay, then we'll go to that DEM. Again we'll go to the DEM, and remaining image analysis processes will be teach you in the next classes. So now I'm just showing that how to extract the, how to use the tools inside the ArcGIS, how to use the tools. So I'm removing this. If you don't need these images, you can just right click here in these images, then just remove it. Now we will go to import we'll add the data for DEM. Then we will go to DEM. Then there is a DEM, Guwahati DEM. So I have already, from the DEM, I have already, sorry. So this is our DEM. Actually, the image was a little bit bigger. So I have extracted it using by that tool, extract by mask tool. Now, I want to show that how to create contours from the DEM. as you can see that as you know that what is contour, that line joining the equal heights. So contour is very much important thing, thing in the geography as well as geology also. So for the study purpose, for the terrain condition, contour will show the details of the area and that terrain condition of the area. If you can see, you can see in the topo sheets also that they have showing the contours at different elevations of the particular area. So now I will go to I will show how to create the contour. Then we will go to the spatial analysis tool. Then we will go to the surface because we have to work with the surface. So here now you can see there is an option called contour. Now here it is mentioned that input raster. Raster means dam because dam is in raster format. So we'll put here the Guwahati dam. Then we output polyline location because the contour lines will be in polyline. So we'll give the location of the polyline of the contour. Then so here I have one. I will show you. I will name it as contour. I will name it as contour Guwahati. Then save it. So now we have to give the contour interval because the as you know that the contour never intersect other contour. One contour never intersect other contour. So it will be having their own elevation, own value. So we have to give the interval value. Means within 5 meter I want to generate, or within with the interval of 5 meter or 10 meter, whatever you want, we have to give it here. Then we'll give that we'll give 20 meter. Then we'll nothing else you have to do, then just click on OK. Now you can see the contour has been created, though the data is quite heavy. So now I will zoom in this area. You can see now you can see these lines, and these lines having their own value. If you use this is the identity button, if you click somewhere it will show the details of that object, whatever presented inside this window. If I'm clicking here, then you can see that contour value is 20 meter. It will be in meter, so contour interval is 20 meter. Here I have selected this line, then I will select this one. Now you can see it's a 40 meter, means 20 meter interval. Now here you can see that 60 meter, like increasing towards this point. I think this one will be like 180 meter. Now you can see. So like this we can create the contours. Then we'll check with the image mosaic. Image mosaic means combining two images. So already I have I think GeoVigyan has provided you the Google image. I have downloaded from the Google two images I have downloaded, and I have I think GeoVigyan has provided you that Google image also. So I will add those images. Here you can see two images. I will go to zoom to layer. Now you can see there is a two image. You can see this image. You have to combine. You have to make it as one. So for that you have to go to actually sorry. One the option is not coming. Just let me check. Okay, I will show you from here also, from the window image analysis. There is another option in here. You can see that from the window, if you click on here, there will be an option called image analysis. From here also you can see the you can mosaic two images. If you select these two images, then we'll click on this button, then directly the one more image will appear. Now you can see this image, because earlier there was two images. Now you can see I have combined these two images into a single image. Now you can see that there is no difference in the edge of the images. Like this, you can mosaic combining not only two images, many more images you can combine. So after that, I will show how to change the projection. Like whenever we are doing something with like with the shape file, whenever we are doing some analysis, after that sometimes what happen, we need the data, we need the data into a meter format. If we need the area of the area of an area of a polygon, then we can't calculate the area with the GCS. If the shapefile will be in geographic coordinate system, then we can't calculate the area. For that, you have to convert that shapefile to projected coordinate system. So I will show you GeoVigyan. This is a shapefile. Here you can see this is an area which I have digitized. I have created the shapes of the different polygons according to the parcels, because you can see this is the cultivated area. So this kind of area, this kind of map is called as the where the land parcels are showing the different numbers, their identity, and those maps are called as cadastral maps. So here I have taken an area called Doviara. Then I have digitized it. Now you can see here that according to the land parcel, I have digitized the polygons. I have created the polygons. So this, see the same thing. This area, this shapefile is in. If we are going to the right click on here, going to right click, then going to the properties, then it will show like the geographic coordinate system is WGS 1984. Okay, that reference. So we have to convert, because from here we can't. If we go to the attribute table means that whatever the identity of each parcels, each polygon, it shows that if we add field, if we have to add another column, then we have to put the right click on this, then there will be an option called add field, then you click there, then we'll name that area. If you click on here area, then if you have to calculate the area, then the type of that column will be double. It won't be on text, because it will be on double, because it will be the area will be coming on decimal also. So we'll click on double, then okay, then here you can see that area has came. Then now each polygon doesn't mentioning any values in the area. So now we'll click here, then right click, then we'll go to the calculate geometry. We'll click on the calculate geometry. Then now you can see, click on yes. Now you can see that there is no area. It shows that like disabled area, means you can't calculate the area from here with this coordinate system. So we have to convert this shapefile to the projected coordinate system. It, as I have mentioned, that it is in geographic coordinate system, that WGS 1984 World Geodetic System. So we have to convert it to the projected coordinate system. Then we'll go to the data management tool. Then we'll go to the projection and transformation. Then we'll go to the project. We'll click on the project, double click on that project, then we'll give the input dataset or feature class. So we have to convert this one. Then we'll go to Doviara GCS. Then see input coordinate system. This one automatically it shows that the GCS WGS 1984. So we'll give the location of the our output file. So we'll go to this, then we'll go to Google image, then Doviara. Inside this, I will name it as Doviara projected coordinate system, PCS. I will name it as, or we can name it as UTM, Universal Transverse Marketer. Then save it. Then which coordinate system we want to give. So for this, we'll select for this area. I have told that UTM zones. UTM zone will be. We'll select the projected coordinate system. Then we'll go to the UTM. Then we'll go to the WGS 1984. Then Northern Hemisphere. Then this area lies on the 46. Sorry, 44 north. 44 north. Then we will select the 44 north and then click on OK. So now nothing to do. You just click on OK. Then here you can see that process is going on. So now you can see that this Doviara UTM came. So output we got. Then we will go to the source, right click on the file, then you just click on the properties. Then you can see that now the projected coordinate system is, now earlier it was geographic coordinate system. Now you can see that WGS 1984 UTM zone 44. Okay. So now we will make it hollow. Then we'll right click on we'll right click on the shape file. Then we'll go to the open attribute table. Now we'll calculate the area. We'll right click on the area, then calculate geometry. Yes. Then now see, the earlier it was here it was shown as the disable. Now it is enable. Now you can see projected coordinate system. Now we can calculate the area according to our purpose. You can calculate in hectare also, acres also, square meter. We'll calculate in hectare, or you can calculate in meter, square meter. Okay, click on OK. Yes. Now you can see the area of the polygon came. Now you can see if you are selecting this polygon, then you can see the area is 1278.23 square meter. Like this, we can calculate the area. So I have provided you the images of this image. So you have to digitize it as I have digitized in this file. In this file, as I have digitized. So you have to, all the participants are requested to digitize this. Digitize this area. And later on I will show you how to prepare a map also. Now we'll go to the we'll go to the check the topological errors. So for the topological errors, we have to create the GDB. So we have the file in here. We'll remove it. Let it be. Then okay. Now I will create a GDB of for this the shape file, because already I have digitized this in shape file. So now I want to import this shape file to GDB, because you can import this file also to the GDB, or either you can directly you can edit inside the GDB also. Inside the GDB also you can edit. You can, if you are creating the shape file, after that you can import to the GDB also. So I will create one GDB file geo database. Then I will name it as GeoVigyan try. Okay. Then I will, as I have mentioned that after the GDB, we have to create one new feature dataset. Then we will go to, we'll name it as, sorry, GeoVigyan try. Then click on next. Then we'll go to the 44 because this area lies on the UTM zone 44. So we'll select the 44. Next, next, finish. So now you can see that data set came. So now we'll create the, we'll import because already we have, see, for the new feature class you have to click here. For the import, because already we are having the file, this one our file, so we have to import the file. So feature class single, then click on OK. Then we'll import this file. So we'll click on here, GeoVigyan UTM, then location automatically inside the feature class. So output feature class will be inside that file. What you wish to give the name, it will be Control V GeoVigyan try. So we'll put it as try. So no need to put anything else, just click on OK. Now you can see the file has came inside the try. See, GeoVigyan try. This inside the GDB, the file has came. So now for the topological error, if we have to see the topological error, so we can't use the topological error tool in the save file. So we have to create the GDB. Inside the GDB only we can correct the topological error. We can find the topological error. If there will be some minor changes inside the overlay or overlapping or any gap inside the shape file, then inside the GDB only we can find it. So we'll click here, new, click on the dataset. Okay, new, click on new, then we will go to the topology. Then click on next, then next. We'll select which file we want to run the topology. Select the file, then next. Then next. Now there is a rule that what kind of rule we want to apply on that shape file. So we will add one rule first. What is this? GeoVigyan try means must not overlap. Okay, means one polygon must not be overlap to other polygon. And then we will add one more rule, must not have gap. So like this, you can see must not have gap. Okay, these two will be enough. Then we'll click on next, then finish. Now topology is being running. Then we'll click it yes. See, now the topology has came. So now we'll check whether what kind of errors inside these files. So we'll drag this into here, then we'll click yes, or we can directly add from here also. If you go to the GeoVigyan try topology, add like this, you can add. So we'll check now. See, now you can see that if we right click on this topology, then you can see the errors. You can see that must not overlap, must not have gaps, like this. So errors, if you generate the summary, you can see now that must not have gaps. It's 9 gaps, means inside the file we have 9 gaps. and must not overlap. It has 11 overlapping is there. So what we will do, will okay, now yesterday I showed you the topology tool. This one is the topological tool. Then we have to edit the file. Then we'll go here, editor, then go to start editing. Then we'll edit this file. So here it will be this file. Then we'll click on OK. First we'll remove this. Then click on OK. Now you can see the topology tool has been activated. Now you can click here. Now you can see according to the image. You click here. First we will click here. Then we'll check. I think according to your analysis, this area is lying on this area. So according to this, we'll right click on here, whether we want to merge it with him here, or we want to subtract it. So we'll merge it with this polygon. Merge with this polygon. Okay. Then now you can see the errors has been removed. Here also you can see the gap is there. This is shown as the gap. Here you can see that area errors, line errors, point errors. So here you can see this is the gap. So if you are clicking by selecting this tool, fix topology error tools, then if you are clicking here, then you can see it's being highlighted. So we'll right click on the screen, then we'll create a feature, because one polygon will be created in this portion. So we'll create feature. Then now you can see that feature has been created. So now we have to merge it, because we can't keep this as a single polygon, because this much of area can't be with the belongs to the a single person or some other person, because this is our errors. So we have to merge it with this portion or this portion. So we'll merge this area with this big polygon. Then we'll select both the polygon. Then here in the editor, we'll go here. Then we'll use the merge. Means we'll make it as a single polygon. So already here we have one option, that which polygon we want to merge this polygon. Means with which polygon, with the reference of which polygon we want to merge. So we'll select this polygon, click OK. Then now you can see the errors has been removed. Now here you can see, here there is an error. Here it is overlapping. The problem of overlapping. Now here you can see the gap. So it is the gap problem, error. So now you can create the feature. Then just zoom it. Then select both the polygon, editor, merge. Then we'll select the big polygon. Then we'll click on OK. Like that, we can edit. We can remove all the topological errors. Whenever you are doing something, you're doing the topological arrow, checking the topological arrow. Sorry, if there is no gap between these things, this area, then there will be one error, that is the outer boundary error. Okay, there will be one error, that is the outer boundary error. Now there will be 3 errors because I didn't created the road. I didn't created the road. Though I am having the road, now I will show you how to convert. I think you have understood the how to correct the topological errors, right? So now I will show you how to. We have the road file here. As you can see, I have created the line road file in line. So this is this denotes the line. So now you can see that we have to convert this lines to the polygon. So see, if I'm closing here also in polygon, if you are clicking here, see now it's selecting, it's selected. So inside the line, if here you can see the lines here, if you are clicking on here, then no selection because it's opened, it's not joined with each other. So first we have to close it. We'll go to editor, stop edit. Yes, I want to save it, this one for the previous one. So now okay, let's see, we'll start editing, then we'll edit the road. Okay, then we'll go to the create feature, then select the road, then line, then here we click, then we'll go to the endpoint, then double click. Now you can see the we have closed the line with the line, close this portion with the line. So now now it doesn't become the it's not became the row polygon. Now we are just closing it. From here also we'll close it, and from this side you can see it's automatically trimmed. I will show you the how to use the trim tool. Yesterday there was a question that one person asked that whether we can add the vertex inside the line or not, or inside the polygon. See, I have selected this here. See, first you have to double click on this line, then right click on here, then you can use insert vertex. Now you can see the vertex, new vertex has been inserted. The same way in polygon also we can insert the vertex. So now I will show you, we can delete this vertex also, delete this vertex. Now I will show here that how to trim the line. Split. Here I will show you how to split the line. Means, see, I want to make it 2 line, so I want to split here. First you have to select the line, then you can split the line. See, now you can see there's a different 2 different line. So like that we can split the line, and I'm deleting this. So now I will show you how to use the tool, extend tool. Here first we have to select this line, then what we have to do, we have to connect this line to this line, connect this line to this line. So we have the extend tool. We'll click on that. First you have to select, then we'll click on that tool, then we'll click on this line, then see automatically the line has been joined with this line. Like that we can use the extend tool. Sometimes what happens, some lines has been extended. See, some lines has been extended. Sometimes it happens while editing. So for this again we have to select this line, then we'll cut it till here we want the line. So we just select the image, then we'll go to the trim tool, then we just click it here, then automatically the line will be reduced and will be joined in here. Like that, we have to like that we can use these tools. Now again I'm coming to the how to convert this line to the polygon feature. Then again we'll close it from here also. Now you can see from the all sides these lines has been closed, this rows has been closed. Now we'll go to the Arc toolbox. Again we'll go to the data management tool, then features, then feature to polygon. Here feature to line, feature to polygon. So we'll click on the feature to polygon. Then we'll give the, sorry, first we have to save it, stop it. I forgot to stop. And then we'll give the file. Input file will be road. So we have to give the output location also, output file name. So again we'll give it as Doviara road. Okay, then save it. Now you can see again, then you don't have to do anything, then just click on OK. Now it's going on, the process is going on. Now you can see the that line. Earlier there was the line. Now you can see the polygon has been created. If you are clicking on this inside this, then you can see it's being selected. So like this we can create the polygon from the line also, but it should be closed from the all side. If it is not closed, then the polygons feature won't be created. So like that we can copy that file, copy this Doviara road file. First we will go to the start editing, then we will go to try, click OK, then we'll select this tool. Sometimes what happened, we just created the road file in the separate shape file. Then sometimes what happened, we have created the parcels in separate shape file. Then if we have to copy it, if we have to replace, we have to put in the same file, then what we will do, first we will check the gap, is there any gap or something else. Then we'll select both the road. Okay, then we'll right click on this copy, then just click outside, unselect it, then right click and paste. Then it will show that which file you want to paste, in which file you want to paste. So I will Doviara try and just click OK. Now you can see from this file, now it's came here. Now you can see. So now what we will do, we'll check with the topology. If I'm clicking here validate topology in Cayenne extent, means with this extent we can validate the topology. Now we can see that there is no error between these files. Here you can see there is a overlapping is in here. So we will click here, then we can see now this will be merged with the Doviara, this one. Okay, like this we can edit, we can remove the topological errors. And now, so this is now finished roadmap. Then it's required. Then we'll go to the WRGCS. Yes. After the like whenever you are having some areas where you are collecting some data, that say going for a survey, that time what happened, the survey will send you the file in KML format. So here I have some survey points just created for the study only. So if I'm seeing that this is the KML file, so I'm opening it in Google Earth. So now you can see, go to the properties, highlight points. Okay, now you can see each parcel. I just put some numbers for study purpose only. So I just put some numbers in here. If you're clicking here, that you can see cluster number. Just put the cluster numbers. So according to the revenue development, there will be some cluster numbers. For the reference only, I just put the name, the numbers. Like this, if you have the camera file like point file, then how will you put all those points in this polygon? So it is by doing the manually, it is a task. So what we have to do, we'll convert that camel file first. We'll convert it to the layer. See, there's an option in the conversion tool in the R toolbox. You can see the conversion tools. There will go to the from camel, means from camel to layer. So we'll convert this camel to layer. We'll put the camel file in here, over here survey points. Then we'll open it.
Excuse me, sir. I would like to say that sir, your voice is breaking in between.
Okay. Now,
sir, it's still breaking.
Hello.
Sir, the voice is still breaking, sir.
Just wait a second. Is it audible now?
Yes, sir. Now it is audible.
Okay. Now you can see the screen is visible, right?
Yes, sir. It is visible.
Okay. Now we have to convert the KML file to layer. Now we will give the location, output location. So we'll give the Doviera this is. Then we'll go to the survey points. And you have to give the location only. Here output name. So we'll click on this include ground overlay. Then okay. Now see all the points here. You saw that all the points were there. Now all the points came here. Again we'll convert, we'll export it. Now it is in, now it is not in shapefile. It is in layer format. It is a layer format. So now we'll data, go to export. We'll right click on these points, data, export. Then we'll go to survey points. Name it as survey points, then save it, then okay. Yes. Now you can see, we'll remove this one. Now you can see the survey points has came. if you open the attribute table of these points, you can see a lot of details are there that sorry, the details hasn't came. Let me check. Okay, from these points we'll select this point, select these attributes, and we'll prepare Excel. We'll directly copy it. Like so you can see, open attribute table, copy it, copy selected, and then we'll create the Excel file, paste it. Sorry. See, now all the numbers has came. Like this, we'll save it. Sorry, sir. Now we'll go to now we can join the Excel. We can join the Excel into this shapefile. So we have the shapefile, and then we have the Excel also, and you can see. Okay, the Excel is not coming actually. So directly we'll join it. Join. Add FID. We'll join it with the reference of the FID, because FID means the feature ID. Here, with the reference of these points, we can join the Excel file. In the Excel file also, this FID is lying, because here also this FID and this FID and with this polygon FID are same polygon FID. Okay, so we'll click here, then join and relate the join. Then we'll go to the Excel, then click on sheet, then we'll click on the FID. Automatically the FID came. So we'll validate it, then close it, then OK. Now you can see the cursor number has came, which shown. You can see this cursor number. Its cursor number is 72. Here, if you are going to this point, here you can see this cursor number is 72. So like that we can join. But after this joining, we can't leave it like that, because this is, I have joined it. You can join it for a temporary purpose only. So we have to export it. We have to make a copy of this. So we have to export it to the another shapefile. So what we'll do, we'll go to the Doviara, then okay, we'll go to create the server points, then Doviara. Okay, click OK, then OK. Now you can see the Doviara has came. So now what I will do, will go for the layout, how to prepare the map. We'll go to the layout. Now what we will do, because all the details we have added. Now we'll go to here. This is already I have mentioned you that layout. So now we need to the layout in the map format. So now we'll go to the change layout. Then we can, according to our own requirement, our purpose of the study, we can give the layout format. It will, you can put it like A0 size also. This is the size A1, A2, A3 like that. So we'll go for the A4 landscape. Then finish it. Click on here. Just extend it. Now we'll symbolize it. If you are here, just right click on this save file, then go to the properties, then go to the symbol, then categories, then select the name, then add all values. See here only I have put the build up. So I will show this is as blank parcel. I will give it as black color. Okay. Then for the build up, I will put the red color. Okay. Then we will go to the level, because we have to show the numbers. Click on the level. After that, click on the level, this layer feature name. So in the level means which field we want to show. So we want to show the cursor numbers. Like that, click on red color. Just increase the size to 10 and click on OK. Now you can see the numbers is showing. So better it's overlapping. So I will reduce the size of the numbers. So now what we will do, directly will show this image, this much of extension only. So we'll add this, then we'll select this, then we can extend this also. Then we'll now we have to insert the title of the map. Like that, we'll go to the title, or you can use here, from here also you can use, or either you can use insert, go to the object. If you have the Microsoft Word, you can import the Microsoft Word also inside this. So we can import the Microsoft Word document. Okay, for the title. Here we can edit. We can give like Dovia cadastral map. So Times New Roman, I just change the font, just increase the size and save it, then just close it. Now you can see Dovia cadastral map. Okay, now we'll add the arrow, not arrow. Okay, you just select this arrow, click OK. See, I'm showing. If you go to the you can go to the insert, then select not arrow, then click on this arrow, then OK. Now you can put it here, or you can put it here also. Then what we have to do, we have to put the scale bar. So we'll select this scale, then we'll go to the properties, subdivision will to put 2, then we'll division unit we want to put it as kilometer, then we want to put it as after the bar, and in short we'll put km. Then click on OK, then OK, then we'll keep it in the downward side. Then we'll add the legend. So we want only this file doviara, so we'll go to the next, because this legend has been added here, doviara. Now we'll go to the next, then next, finish. See, now the legend has been added here. So here we have to add the we have to remove the doviara. So now what we will do, we'll right click on, we'll select this box, then we right click and we'll go to the convert to graphics. So now we'll ungroup it. Now we can remove doviara and then name also. Then we'll make it closer. We'll ungroup it and we have to make a copy of this. And we'll put it as here. We'll name it as land parcel. Land parcel. Okay. Now our legend is being ready. Then we'll group it, make it group it. Then we'll keep it here. Then we just delete this and delete this. Now one more thing we have to add is that that coordinates. So we will right click, we'll select, then we right click on this box, then go to the properties, we'll click on this grid, then we'll add a new grid, then we want the verticals. Next we don't want to grids verticals and level, because if you are giving the verticals and level, it will show the lines also. So we'll go to the directly go to the level, select the levels only. Then so we'll the interval, that coordinates interval will be, I'm giving it as 2 minutes, because the area is quite smaller, so I'm giving 2 minutes. Next, finish. So now vertical is ready. So now we have to edit the vertical, because okay, I will show you how it looks like. See, 2 degrees not coming, so let me try with, because area is quite smaller, so it will, we can edit also. So we'll add 30 seconds, I think. Now see, now it's coming. Now it's coming. If I'm giving 30 seconds, because the area is quite smaller, so that's why we have to give in second. So now you can see this this coordinates is crossing this line, so it will be out of the map. So now what we will do, we will make it vertical. So we'll go to the properties, then vertical, we select the vertical, then go to properties, then we'll go to the labels, then we'll click vertical labels. You want to left and right, because left and right we want it as vertical. So click on the right, then we'll increase the size of the coordinates also, then apply. Okay. Now you can see that it became vertical. Now all is being added. Now you can add you can add the source also. If you have the source, then you can add the source also, or you can add the image also in the map. Also map, you can add the image, or without image also you can export it. So from the now you have to create, we have to get the you have to print the map. Then so we have to create a PDF format, or we have to create the JPG format. So we'll go to the file, then export the map, then we'll go to the desktop, then 19th May and test, then Google image, test one. So Doviara, then here Doviara. Okay, then we want it in a JPG format, JPEG format. So we click on the JPEG. Then we have to increase the resolution, because if we are not increasing the resolution, then it will be difficult. So means it won't visible properly. So I will put it as 400 resolution. Then save it. Now if you are going to the folder, you can see Doviara. See, now you can see the Doviara cadastral map. Here your map. So like that we can create all these maps. So with this I'm concluding my lecture, and thank you for today. Thanks.
Thank you very much for your all hard work and incredible work, Gogoi sir. In these 2 days training, which will help us a lot, all of us, in our research or in our postgraduate thesis work. So, sir, we have few questions.
I hope so. It will help you.
Yes, sir. So surely it will help us. Sir, we are getting questions from our viewers. You can see them in comment section also. The first question is from Ishwarya. USGS Earth Explorer Sentinel SAR images can be downloaded or not?
Yes, you can download. From the USGS, I don't think so. You can download the Sentinel SAR. Better you should go with the Sentinel SAR data. You just go for the Alaskan satellite facility.
Second question is from Saurabh.
Yes.
He is asking if any satellite image is full of clouds and its shadow, can't it be filtered out using GIS software? If yes, how much it is efficient as compared to cloud-free image?
See, clouds effect, and if you are removing also, maybe there will be some errors while some analyzing some other indices like NDVI or radius line cover. If you are creating all those indices, then maybe you will found some errors. So better you just select the cloud-free image.
So there is one more question regarding to this by Arunima. What percent of cloud is acceptable while downloading satellite images?
See, cloud-free image, it depends upon your study area, and if you're having it's not depend upon the percentage. If you don't if you are not having the the cloud, if you are not having the cloud free, just check with if there is little bit cloud also, you can manipulate. Sometimes you can manipulate, but some indices it will be difficult. So better we should go for the cloud free image. So there is no specific that percentage that cloud free image can be acceptable. Okay. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes. Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Sorry, I lost the connection. Sir, Sonia Tyagi is asking what is difference between Landsat 7 and Landsat 8 image.
See, Landsat 7 Landsat 8 has been started from the 2013. So it will Landsat 7 you will get 8 bands, and and uh, Landsat 8 you will get at 6 extra band. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So Landsat 8 you will get some other bands also till 11 band. Till band 11 you will get in the Landsat 8.
Okay. So next question is from Ishwarya. What is the use of downloading DEM images?
See, DEM is required for most of the purpose for the hydrological analysis and some other parameters, creating the contours, creating the drainage. So you need the DEM only. DEM is very much essential for the study, for the geological study also, for the geography and then hydrological studies. So DEM is very much useful.
So next question is from Wang sir. How to remove negative values from DEM?
See, you can't remove the negative values. It depends upon the area. And negative values means that it's negative the depth of your area. So you can't remove it manually. It's a part of that. See, if your elevation is below the zero, then it will be negative. So we can't remove it.
Yes. The next question is from Harish Bish. What will we do if our data lies in two different images?
If that okay, see if that's what I showed you earlier, that we have to mosaic the images. If, we have to download both the images, then we'll mosaic it, then we'll extract the data.
Next question is from Mamta. Why interpolation in GIS not applying on whole area?
Whole area means the whole image, like see, whenever according GIS interpolation, we don't want to apply for the whole area, because we need our study only, our study area only. Why we should do for the other it will take time of processing, so it will take a lot of times. So better you just go for your study area, just extract it and calculation, interpolations.
So next question is from Subrata. How can I remove the line of contours in the central part of any bunch of contours when contour interval is less?
When contour interval is less, then sorry, I didn't get the
How
question.
to remove contour in central part of any bunch of contours?
How do you remove the, sorry? Hello?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Yes?
Sir, how to remove lines of contours in central part when there are bunches of contours?
Okay.
When there is the contour interval is less and they are close to each other.
Mm-hmm. Okay, see, we can't remove the contour line. See, if interval is less, then see, contour interval will be coming according to the elevation. So why we don't need to remove the contours firstly. Then if you want to remove the contour, then your representation of data will be there. It will show some errors. It will reduce the slope It may reduce the slope. If directly it's going to the 4 to 8, then if the 6 is missing, then how will you represent that area? So there will be lots of problem if you're removing the controls.
So next question is from Mani Selvam. I have to make a decision regarding cyclone affected area. Can I use GIS tool for that? If yes, how?
Yeah. See, it depends upon what you want to study. It depends upon the study purpose. Say for the cyclone areas, you can find the locations where the frequently cyclone is coming. Through the GIS platform, you can analyze. You can prepare a map for the cyclone prone areas, and you can you can give some mitigation. You can find a mitigation program is going on, where the cyclone disaster mitigation program is going on. You can find out all those things. So it will be helpful for like that. It will be helpful for this cyclone studies.
So Ishwarya is asking that the images you have shown are optical images or SAR images.
It's optical images and not the SAR images. SAR images are different. It will SAR images are it's quite heavy, so it's not easy to the system configuration is quite need quite high. So and this is not the SAR images.
Next question
And
is
you
from
can't process it in the ArcGIS. Okay.
Arun Joshi is asking that can we calculate lacustrine deposit depth clearly with ArcGIS?
I didn't went through the lacustrine deposits, so I don't think so. I'm not clear with that.
Sir, next question is from Subhangi. Why we could not calculate area in geographical coordinate system?
Actually, it's an inbuilt thing that we can't calculate from the area from the geographic coordinate system. So we have to calculate in projected coordinate system. We can calculate the latitude and XY values from the geographic coordinate system. It is an inbuilt thing.
Okay, sir. Another question is from Rajendra Kumar Mishra. How to add contour in?
Hello. 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 Your voice is not coming.
Hello.
Hello.
Sir, due to some
Am I
network,
audible?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are audible. Due to some network connection, Subham is not here. Sir, here is a new question. If the study area falls in both 44 North and 43 North, which should I prefer?
Just take one. Just check whether the area is comes under the most of the part of your area is comes under the which zone. Just check that one. Just take one within that portion. Just check one. Just take one. It will be okay. It depends upon your percentage of your area.
Okay, sir. And the next question is, do we need to prepare shapefile after immediately downloading image from Earth Explorer for further analysis using GIS tools?
No, you see. It depends upon the study. Say, it is not necessary that you have to create the shapefile. Without creating the shapefile, also you can analyze with the Landsat images. So Landsat images are using mostly using for the some other analysis, not for the digitization of all those things. So for the different indices like land use, land cover, NDVI, NDWI, like that, all those indices and land use, land cover images are using. Sorry.
Okay, sir. The next question is, how can do scan topo map merge in DEM elevation?
Sorry, can you repeat the question?
How can do scan topo map merge in DEM elevation?
Okay, how can do scan topo map merge in them? See, scan topo map is different, and dam is different. So we can overlay on that dam. So there's in the ArcGIS there's some other tools that we can overlay that scan topo map over the dam. So we can merge it. That's all.
Okay, okay, sir. There is a next question. How to draw shapefiles other than shapefile that we may get on installing GIS software? From where can we download shapefile of our need?
Sorry, I didn't got that.
Am I audible?
Yeah.
The question is how to draw shape. He asked a lot of questions in single question. The first question is how to draw shapefile. This is as you already told
Yeah,
in
already I have
your
mentioned
training.
that.
The next question is other than shapefile that we may get on installing GIS software. From where can we download shapefile of our need?
Yeah, see, you can download the shapefile from the Diva.js, or some other websites are there. So you can download from the some nearby the municipalities or like government officials from the government organization. You can download the shapefiles. But from the Diva.js, you can download the free shapefile of the roads, road networks, and then drainage. All these things you can download.
Okay, sir. So the next question is difference of conical projection and cylindrical projection.
Uh, Conical projection and cylindrical projection. I think this is not much related to. So I don't actually a little bit forgot all those things.
There is a last question we are taking. Sir, how did you get the taluk details?
See, you have to go for the revenue department. Then only you will get the taluk details on all those things, and you have to contact with the revenue department. Then only you will get, and you have to go for the survey.
Okay, sir. So we here we are ending the question answer sessions. Due to some time limit, we are unable to take more questions. So once again, I thank you, Mr. Gogoji, for accepting our invitation and for this knowledgeable and wonderful talk. We learned various things in this training during this training, and we also thanks
Thank you
all
so
the
much.
participants. Yes, and we also thanks all the participants who have participated in today's session. And we will meet you tomorrow at 4 p.m. So take care. Bye bye.
Okay, thank you. Thank you,
Thank,
everyone.
thank you, sir.